Morning everyone, hope you've all had a good weekend. It's Monday again, but I'm not too worried this Monday as I'm off work, as I've worked all weekend. I just want to give you a quick flip through today of my third journal I've made using the Artymaze A Winter's Tale kit. Apologise in advance for this tripod sticking out in my video. Somebody has messed about with my tripod over the weekend. As usual, nobody's admitting it, and I usually have it all set up so everything's just right for when I'm filming, and nothing's right on it, and I can't no matter how I twist it or turn it, I just can't get these legs out of my video, so I apologise in advance for this. With this kit, A Winter's Tale, I know a few of you have already seen my other videos. I just wanted to show you how totally different two journals can look using it. This was a previous, sorry I'm really not in frame again, this was a previous one that I did, and it's very wintry looking and lacy and very snowy looking, I think, but I wanted to do one that's totally rustic, and just want to show you really the versatility of this kit. So I'll quickly get into it because this tripod is doing my head in already. I have had some good news last week. A few of you know I applied for JobShare last July, and we've had somebody willing to do it with me, but it's taken that long with administration and the usual blah blah blah. But it's finally been announced. I go on my part-time hours on February the 11th, so I'm so ready for it, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I just feel as though I'm getting a little bit of me time back in my life, and I can spend more time crafting, more time out in my garden, just generally doing the things I love. Right, less of the waffle, more of the showing. Right, the front cover I've made out of cardboard. Those, you know, from Amazon, the books, the box that your books come in. I made this cover out of one of them. I just cut it down to size, and it's a traveller's notebook size. Is that 8 1/4 by 4 1/4? But I might have just done the cover slightly bigger to accommodate the papers. I will check that out and leave it in the description below. It's got 52 pages front to back, and on the front I've just done a little collage of some coffee stain lace, a little owl that's been made up of little pieces of wood and a little bit of felt eyes. It's got some corrugated cards, some music paper, a little bit of Janet sent me this. I believe it's called mulberry bark, and I love this stuff, and she sent me quite a lot of it. I have had a look at it online, and it is quite pricey, but I have had a little attempt at making my own, which has come out not too bad. I've just made it with cheesecloth and PVA, which was a tip from Janet. So that's another way of making mulberry bark. Right, I'll get into the video, might be an idea. Right, the front cover has got I'm sorry this is not in frame, is it? Oh, this tripod's doing my head in today. Yeah, my video's as professional as ever. The front inside cover, I've just done a little craft envelope, and it's got some I won't bring all the tags out because I'm always messing to get them back in and out. I've done all the tags with twine thing because I just think it goes more with the rustic theme. See, these legs are in my way now. Another little bit of collaging with a doily, little picture of the owl from the kit, some cheesecloth and some card. Some Edith Holden paper. I've used some eco-dyed paper from in this kit that I think Tina and Diana Hoff sent me, and I'm really loving the papers you sent me, ladies. I've just put a few little quotes here. When winter winds are piercing chill, and through the hawthorn blows the gale, with solemn feet I tread the hill that overblooms the lonely vale. I just love that little quote. I think it's beautiful. All my tags are backed with tea dyed or coffee stain paper. I can never remember which one I do. A little flip here with a little bunny, which is a tuck spot, a little bit of washi. Oh, this is some of the eco paper that, I can't remember now if it was Diana or Tina sent it me, but I've got 2 lots in here, they're both beautiful. A little pocket with some more journaling cards and a tag. I've left plenty of writing in this because I know some of you do love to write, and some people have mentioned they like to write in their journal, so I sort of quite try and leave a balance of enough writing space and enough decoration. This is from a little bird book that I picked up ages ago, and it's lovely. It's got some little owls, but it's a little flip up and there's more owls on the back. A little collage here of another owl with I always forget this, corrugated card, music paper, another little tag, a tuck spot. Little flip out page. Some more of that lovely eco paper. I'm dying to try and eco down when the weather gets a bit better. And now I'll be working part-time, I'll have time to do all this. Of course, last summer we had a beautiful summer, I could have been out doing it, but now I'm stuck in work. But this year may be different. Done a little flip here, just left a little bit more journaling space with made out of card and another image from the kit. A little bit of washi. A beautiful owl. This kit really is gorgeous. But I tended to have used a lot of owls in this one. Haven't used all the papers from the kit because, like I said, I wanted to make it totally different, just to show you really the difference you can use when you buy a kit. It's not just you printed it off once, that's it. You can use them so differently. Here I've done a little collage with some stamping, some music paper, doily, and some little owl stamps and acorns. More eco dye paper. Like I said, there's plenty of spaces in here for journaling or artwork, whatever you use them for. Another little tuck spot with a little collage of an owl and half a doily. A little hair. This was a page from a magazine, but I really liked it. I thought it had such a rustic feel to it. There's just a little flip out page here, but I put a little tuck spot in with some more journaling cards and tags. God, I can't believe how cold it is here. I've got my heating on, and it's really dark outside, so the lighting may be very poor as well. I apologise for that as well. Just a little... Well, my cat's looking in the window now waiting to... You'll have to wait, Louis, till I've finished filming. They always start, don't they, when you start doing something, animals. Some more tags, journaling cards, a little tuck spot, a little bit more stamping of a little barn owl, a paper bag here which has got some journaling cards in, and on the back of it I've just made another little tuck spot and another little small page that I just like these. You can just tuck right on the back and then keep them in and keep replacing them, so your journal's always in use. I've done another little tuck spot here of an owl. I've got a gorgeous little book of birds, and there's some... it broke my heart really to cut it, but I can't keep everything I buy. And this year it's my mission to start using up. I'm always buying books and things. I'll look at them and think, oh, I can't cut that picture up, but I've really got to start sort of using my stash up. Another little flip out here with a little beautiful snowy barn owl. Some more Edith Holden, some more line paper. And I've just left the back with no tuck spot, pocket or nothing, but just a little quote on which says, each snowflake holds a story of what it used to be. And another winter wonder thing. Like I said, this is very, very rustic, totally different than this one, but I've enjoyed the challenge of doing two, and I will put a link to Artymaze's shop in the link below. But this kit honestly is beautiful, and I've got time, yeah. I'll give you a quick sneak peek of another design team project I'm working on for Artymaze. And I apologise for this, Andrea. I know you sent me this kit ages ago, but I just haven't had time to get to it. And I know the beach seems a million miles away at this time of year, but I've just done the cover now and printed my papers out for this kit. It's a vintage beach theme kit and it's lovely, but I'll just give you a quick sneak peek of my cover. It's just at the moment I'm trying to create what's it called, seaweed netty sort of theme on the front with this beautiful little girl, and it just says A Day at the Beach, so that will be the title of it. But at the moment I've only just done the cover and printed out the paper, so hopefully today I'll get a few hours to myself I can get stuck in. Both these journals are still available in my Etsy shop. This one I've just put in. I think that's about it. So I hope you all have a good day. Thank you for watching. And I'm sorry everything's upside down with my lighting, my tripod. I will one day master these YouTube videos and get so professional. Said nobody ever. But thanks again for watching. Bye.